Welcome to WB Diecast. As I said in the very first video, and I hope you check that out, please like and subscribe and share the video. Why does Hot Wheels not make a complete truck set? I mean, I'll take the 5-pack, I'll buy it. And then when they do try to make a truck set, they throw a whole bunch of stuff in there, and usually the fifth vehicle is just some garbage. I mean, garbage to an adult collector. Maybe a little child under 10, maybe they'll vibe with it, but it's just absolute garbage. I can't
Welcome to the ultimate Hot Wheels showdown! Bone Shaker and Megalon are taking flight! Pure gravity and power!